YouTube? Set out to 75 again. Let's try this again. I don't know what happened with my piece of garbage iPhone. Such a piece of junk. But I got a new product here. It's Panini Select 2019. 5 cards per pack. 12 packs per box. Came out earlier this week. Waiting for Panini to still send me the ones I ordered from them. I shouldn't have ordered it from Panini, but I got it from my local card show. 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia card up per box on average. So we'll see how we do. I broke 1 pack, just started to open it when all of a sudden my phone stopped the recording. iPhones suck. They just build these things to fail after like a year. Anyway, it says I have no memory, but I have memory. Cole Holcomb, rookie. People were talking about these 4 divots, but that's part of the card. So Cole Holcomb, we got a rookie. Some people have been doing really good with these. David Montgomery, rookie. We'll see how we do. Got a silver of Deebo Samuel, rookie. And then Michael Thomas, silver. I'm not too familiar with this product. I like Select basketball. I just never got football. This is my first time, kind of like 502 Frank, my first time breaking Select football. So Michael Thomas, silver. And Adam Thielen. So I like the zebra stripes you can get in these. It's pretty cool being a Juventus fan, the zebra. It's almost like the Choice Prism basketball with the tiger stripe kind of. Alright, got another rookie. Nice, got a Chase Winovich, Patriots rookie. That's what I was hoping for, like either a Kyler Murray, Danny Dimes, or some Patriots rookies like that. Jacoby Brissett, silver. Darren Waller, red, white, and blue kind of. Prism type thing. And then a Cleveland Ferrell rookie base. There's a lot of variations in this product too. Got Dak Prescott, Josh Allen. Silver rookie of N'Keal Harry. That's awesome. Love to get a nice silver Patriots rookie. Daniel Jones. Got a rookie selections. That's awesome. First round, 6th pick. I'm getting everything I was just asking for. Kyler, where are you? Got a Josh Jacobs base rookie. It's cool. Let's see here. Terry McLaurin, rookie. Devin White, rookie. You get a lot of rookies. Oh, come on, you son of a bitch. Points. Ugh. So one of our autographs is points. You know what? At least I'll be able to redeem it before I post the video. That's fine. Christian McCaffrey, John Ross. Unbelievable. Got Panini with the points instead of an autograph. I would much rather an autograph than Panini points. Even if it was 900, which is good for those white sparkles. So, whatever. It's fine. The white sparkles, which sell out in 2 seconds, if you're lucky. Jarrett Stidham, another Patriots rookie. Base. Paris Campbell, we got a silver. Taylor Rapp rookie. That's pretty cool. Oh, nice. A silver Mercole Hardman Jr. I love this guy. I think he's wicked good. Field level. Awesome. Prism. Beautiful. That guy's going to be good. I'm pretty sure of it. I already won the Super Bowl. He's part of the Legion of Zoom. I mean, I'm a Patriots fan. I'm not even a Chiefs fan, but I was watching some highlight videos on that guy, and he's some impressive stuff in his highlight reel. We'll see. What do we got here? Alright, we got a Dawson Knox rookie. J.J. Seeger Whiteside rookie. Oh, whoa, we got a 101 spacer. 101 spacer. Silver, Sean Murphy Bunting. Buccaneers. Rookie. Whoa, Jim Kelly, like checkerboard type thing. That's 27 to 149. It's different. Then a Deshaun Watson base. All right, on to the next pack. Camera seems to be holding up so far with the video. Thank God. Hopefully I didn't just jinx myself. Hey, we got the GOAT. Even if it is a base, I'll take the GOAT. Devin Singletary rookie. Silver Aaron Donald. Another one of those checkerboard Mark Andrews to 149. Michael Thomas. Got a pack sneaking away here, trying to jump in with the open packs. Like, don't kill me. Okay, buddy, in a minute. Khalil Mack. Jawan Thornhill rookie. What do we got here? Is this our auto? So we got robbed of a rookie auto, and I think this is a veteran. Travis Frederick. So we got raped in this box. We got Panini big time. For the autos at least. We're getting good cards, but for the autos, we got Emmett Smith. That's pretty cool. I put him with the veterans. But yeah, man. Somehow I think we got robbed of like a Kyler Murray or a Daniel Dimes autograph for 900 Panini points. Which is good. At least it wasn't 250, but... Got a Minshew. Hey, at least we got him. That's good. Our die cut is LaShawn McCoy of the Chiefs. Hey, that's cool. The champion Chiefs. It's not numbered. Got a Julian Edelman. Nice, silver. Got another Daniel Jones. Another Danny Dimes. That's pretty good. And then we got Tevin Coleman. Down to our last 3 packs. Oh, man. Rock Ya-Sin. I don't know if his parents liked him with that name. Jared Goff. Oh, another 101 spacer. Oh, this is a 102 spacer, right? Silver Paris Campbell rookie type thing. Is that field level? Field level. Running out of space with all these different variations. It's crazy. Sony Michel red, white, and blue type thingy. And then Amari Cooper field level. It's all these variations. It's crazy to keep up with. Another thick pack, yeah. Justice Hill rookie. Benny Snell Jr. rookie. Hey, QB rookie, huh? Tim Boyle silver. That could be something. Then we get a 24/25 memorabilia card of Ezekiel Elliott. It's like a tie-dye type prism. That's cool. DeMarcus Lawrence. Base. Last pack mojo, let's see. Oh yeah, last pack mojo right there. Got Kyler too. Saquon Barkley. Dexter Lawrence rookie. Silver Jared Goff. Ooh. Ooh. 2 Kyler Murrays and a silver Kyler Murray. Snapshots Kyler Murray. Nice. Silver. That's hot. And then a base rookie Kyler Murray. Take that for sure. Beautiful box, except for getting Panini'd on the points. Still did pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And leave a like, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. More videos to come. Have a good one, guys.